Ma'am,
Okay.
यसलाई रेकर्ड गरिदिनु न, यहाँ छैन कि भएको. ओके.
Okay. And Golegaon, then some of the, that means we study about the travelogue, and half of the story, half of the, let's say, not say story, but half of the lesson we had did in our previous classes. So on the basis of previous classes, I like to ask some of the questions. You try, okay? Try to guess, or if you know, try to tell. So where was the writer from? Tell me. Or you can chat also there, if you know. Where was the writer from? And Birgons, yes, Nissan Gautam has written Birgons. Yes, obviously he was from Birgons. And you can also write the writer was from Birgons, or from Tarai also you can write. And where did they plan to visit? Obviously Golegaon. I was not in previous class. That's fine. You please keep on listening. I'll revise the some of the description of the lesson. And writer was from Birgans, and he or she, it is not fixed in the there. He had made a plan to visit Golegaon with parents, right? And they had also started their journey from where they started their journey. Right in the chat. From where they started journey and where did they stay for a night. So we had discussed all these things in previous classes. Hmm? Okay, they spent one night in Besi Sahar, right? Besi Sahar, Lamjung. Yes, and then another day they had again started their journey. Especially the writer, the writer was very happy and excited to visit the Golegaon, visit the place Golegaon, and because he was from Tarai, he had never seen hills, mountains, greenery, and all these things. That's why when they started their journey from Birgans, they spent one night in Besi Sahar, and again they started their journey to Golegaon, and next day they can reach to Golegaon. And what was the scenery on the way to Golegaon? What type of scenery they saw there? The scenery of different hills, the different plants, that means the environment was full of greenery. And then the on the way they saw very different beautiful things of the nature. And they also saw picturesque village, isn't it? So beautiful mountains, yeah, obviously. So these the birds, mountains, and the different kinds of natural things they saw on the way. And did the writer feel tired or not on the way? Yes or no? You can move move your head. If yes, if no, you can say no in that way. Yes, yes. He felt very exhausted, very tired. Why? What was the reason? Yes, as he was from Tarai, he had no any experience of walking on the very steepy hills. That's why while walking on the way, they started their journey on foot from Besi Sahar. That's why he felt exhausted, isn't it? He felt tired. And then they also stay for some time in Chotara, right? They stay Chotara, and what did they drink? They drink cold drink. And then they, after resting for us for some times there, they again started their journey. We were up to there, right? Okay. Now we will discuss how they reached to Golegaon. Where is Golegaon? What did they do in Golegaon? How many members are there in the trip? How many members? For now only three, because the writer who is telling this travelogue, and then their parents, mommy and that means mom and mother and father, altogether three members are there. Okay, let me share my screen now. Okay, so if you are feeling bored, stretch your body, drink water, cup of water by keeping there in the table, and then make your back very straight in this way and read. And just be ready to listen. Okay, let me share. And we also watched the video of Golegaon last. in our last class. So how was it? Was it nice or not? Okay, so we can make our plans to visit Golegaon later if you have time. If we get time. Okay. So look at here. We were, I think, up to here. Mommy, I am ready to move ahead. I'm exhausted. I'm not exhausted. Let's go up to here. We were, because when okay, let me in a disabled annotation, because some of your friends, they start drawing. Okay, so don't start drawing there. I will delete this all annotation. Okay, thank you. So when the writer was very tired, listen, when the writer was very tired by walking on the hill, because the hill was very steepy, होइन एकदमै उकालो पहाड थियो, घलेगाउँ जाने बाटोमा चाहिँ अनि हिँड्दा हिँड्दा राइटर्सलाई चाहिँ के भएको थियो भन्दाखेरि he felt pain, होइन खुट्टाहरू धेरै दुखिरहेको थियो, isn't it? And then at that time his mother, she asked, how are you feeling? Are you enjoying with the scenery or not? In this way she asked, and he obviously, by looking the very beautiful scenery or picturesque village of Golegaon, the writer forgot all the pains, and he told that, I'm not exhausted, let's go. I got up and walked towards the village. So from today, from here we will discuss today. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me unmute one participant. So do you have book or not? Do you have book? So if you do not have book, you can also look at here. Avaya, okay, I will unmute one of your friends and tell to read the slides. Okay, Apeksha Karki, are you there? So I'm unmuting you. Okay, you can speak with me. Can you listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please. So please read from here. As we are working. Okay, from here you can start reading. Okay. So others will listen.
Ma'am, where?
Here, can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As we were walking, start from here.
As we were walking, we got lost. So my father asked a stranger, "Excuse me, I wonder if you could tell me the way to Golegaon."
Okay, stop for now.
man,
Okay, can see. Okay, stop for now. So as we were walking, we got lost. We means who here? Writer and his parents. Okay, they got lost. They got lost means what? They forgot the way to Golegaon. So then after what happened? My father asked a stranger. Do you know stranger means? Stranger means new person. New person whom you meet on the way, right? So he asked a stranger, "Excuse me, I wonder if you can tell me the way to Golegaon." His father asked the way in this way, and then what happened? Okay, again, please. You can read the main.
The man greeted my father and asked, "I'm also there. If you like, I will guide you to get there."
Okay. Then after, what was the reply of the stranger? The man greeted. Greeted means what? Do you know greeting? Yeah, you may say good morning, or let's say namaste, you know? And I am also going there. Oh, there means where? Golegaon. Right? I'm also going Golegaon. If you like, I will guide you to get there. Oh, kasto राम्रो. बाटो हराएको बेला, suppose if you meet the person who is also going towards your destination, that's very nice, isn't it? अब आफै हराएको मान्छेलाई घलेगाउँ नै पुर्याइदिने मान्छे भएपछि obviously they felt very, let's say, lucky, and they felt very let's say happy. Then after, what happened? Please, you can read.
Thank you, my mother replied.
Okay, she replied, thank you so much. In that way she may tell, because हराइरहेको थियो नि त उनीहरू, होइन सन्देश? Okay, now you can read, you can continue reading.
The man said, the village with clustered house in Golegaon. It is situated at the northwest of
बेसी सहर.
Besi Sahar in Lamjung.
Lamjung.
Lamjung. It takes about a 5-hour walk to reach there on foot from Besigar. We can get
Besi
there by
Sahar.
bus too. Besi Sahar. We can get there by bus too. People who cannot walk can take bus to go there. Almost all the inhabitants of Golegaon are
Gabre Gurungs. What is?
Gabre Gurungs.
Gabre Gurungs. Not Dabre, eh? Not Dabre. Gabre. Okay. So, okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for helping us by reading this paragraph, right? So you can unmute now, or if there is no background noise, that's fine. Nothing will happen. Okay. So then after what happened? Who guided them to Golegaon? A new person or a stranger guided them to Golegaon. And he told that the man said the village with the clustered house. Clustered means if something is in group joined together, so that is called clustered. Cluster means the houses. I think in previous class, if you were there, you can see the villages, very beautiful scene of Golegaon, and then all the houses were were constructed very close, isn't it? Very close. They were attached to each other. That's why that type of houses are called clustered houses. Okay. So Golegaon is situated at the northwest of Besi Sahar in Lamjung. Where is Golegaon situated? Can you tell now? Can you tell? Yes. Golegaon is situated at the northwest part of Besi Sahar in Lamjung district. Not Lamjung, right? It is Lamjung district. So Besi Sahar ko northwest part ma चाहिँ Golegaon पर्दो रहेछ. So जाने हो Lamjung? जान मन लाग्यो? जान पाए पो जानु भन्दैछन् होला हैन. So we can obviously go. It's not a big deal हैन. हामी चाहिँ जान सक्छौं पछि मम्बाबालाई भनेर अनि दशैं होलिडेमा तिहार होलिडेमा चाहिँ so you can request to them, let's go to पोखरा हैन. पोखरा जाने. पोखरा गएपछि चाहिँ लमजुङ कास्की डिस्ट्रिक्ट चाहिँ त्यहाँबाट नजिकै पर्छ अनि हामी जान सक्छौं हैन. जाने अनि होमस्टे. लमजुङ is very famous. Sorry, Golegaon is famous for what? For first reason, Sijan Thapa. Golegaon is very famous for homestay. Homestay. And do you know homestay means? I told in previous classes. So if you don't know, you can ask to your friends. And inhabitants. What is the meaning of inhabitants? Inhabitants means the people who live in a particular area, particular place. Hey? So basinda bhaन्छौं नि हामी. The people who lives in a certain place, so they are called inhabitants. Okay, बुझ्नु भयो दर्पण? बुझ्नु भयो? Yes. Ambika is also listening very that means attentively. तिमीहरुको नाम चाहिँ त्यहाँ Galaxy J हो हैन, Oppo भनेर नाम आइराछ. त्यसलाई चाहिँ तिमीहरुले राइट क्लिक गरेर चाहिँ आफ्नो नाम लेख्न सक्छौ है त. नत्र भने मैले कसरी बोलाउनु त? Galaxy J हो, you can you tell me please भनेर त मैले बोलाउन सक्दैन हैन. बोलायो भने फेरि को चिन्दैन. ल Lavan Rizal is listening from this earphone. Hey, very nice. And almost all the inhabitants of Golegaon are Ghabre Gurungs. ल कस्तो मान्छेहरु कस्तो जातिहरुको त्यहाँ बसोबास रहेछ? गुरुङ्स. गुरुङ्सको पनि थर चाहिँ के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ घाब्रे गुरुङ्स है. त्यो चाहिँ इट्स अ कास्ट है. जस्तै भन्छ नि हामी जस्तै सपोज अब यहाँ आर्यन घिमिरे छ नि हैन, you know about the caste हैन. So अब क्षेत्री ब्राह्मण भन्छ, क्षेत्री भन्छ, त्यहाँ भित्र नि विभिन्न कास्टहरु हुन्छ नि. Same like that in Gurung community also there are different castes है. So one of them is Ghabre Gurung. So who are the inhabitants of Besi Sahar? Sorry, Besi Sahar हैन, Golegaon भनेर सपोज कसैले सोध्यो भने के भन्नुहुन्छ? Ghabre Gurungs are the inhabitants of Golegaon हैन. And where is Golegaon? Golegaon is near my village. भन्यो भने त wrong हुन्छ फेरि हैन. Golegaon is in northwest part of Lamjung. Lamjung हो? होइन, Lamjung. Okay. I think you know this now. Now let me unmute अब थोरै छ है. We enjoyed the journey with that man very much. That man means who? Which man? That person who was, that means who they met on the way, that a stranger person. Right? After about a 5-hour walk, we reached our destination. How many hours did they walk? How many? Full 5 hours. Can you walk for 5 hours? हिँड्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Okay. Not only 5 hours, ma'am. I can walk for 5 days. भन्दै हुन्छ सुदीप रेग्मीले त्यहाँ बसेर मैले सुन्दैछु है. मैले चान्स मात्रै पाऊँ, ट्रेकिङ जान चान्स पाऊँ न, 5 days I am ready to walk भन्दै हुन्छ निशानले पनि. Okay, I asked my after 5-hour walk we reached there. We means the writer and their parents. Why are they taking marigold garland with tika? I asked my mother. So if you remember in that video, हामीले last week को last class को video मा चाहिँ के थियो भन्दाखेरि एकजना आमाले चाहिँ त्यहाँनेरि टुरिस्टहरुलाई चाहिँ रातो फूलको माला चाहिँ यसरी लगाइदिरहनु भएको थियो, ओके न? थियो नि. Oh, that's why the writer asked, because he saw some people were just putting marigold garland and so putting tika, and they were also offering marigold garland, and the writer asked his mother, this is how they welcome their guest, my mother said. They means who here? Ko yo they bhaneko? They bhaneko the people of Golegaon, is it? So the people of Golegaon, how they welcome their guest? By putting tika on their forehead and by offering garland of marigold. तिमीहरु त्यहाँ गयो भने चाहिँ के गर्छन् उहाँको मान्छेहरुले भनेर भन्दाखेरि तिमीहरुलाई रातो टिका लगाइदिनुहुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ माला लगाइदिनुहुन्छ अनि वेलकम टु आवर विलेज, वेलकम टु आवर होम स्टे भनेर चाहिँ वेलकम टु द गेस्ट है. यो गेस्ट नेपाली, do you want to go there and put tika garland in Golegaon? Okay. So we were treated with proper hospitality. Hospitality means how people behave you, how they welcome you, what type of behavior they show to welcome you as a guest. That is called hospitality. Right? Hospitality means a kind, very nice behavior to the other people. Okay. So we were treated with proper hospitality. That means they also got same kind of respect from the people of Golegaon. Right? And we were served with fresh and delicious organic food. Right? What type of food they eat? Very fresh, organic, and delicious. Organic means, do you know? Srishti Dahal? Do you know organic food? Do you know or not? Organic means especially prepared in our local context. हैन हाम्रो आफ्नै बारीमा फलेको आफ्नै खेतबारीमा फलेको एकदमै अर्गानिक भन्छ, रासायनिक विषादीहरु नमिसाएको चट्ट परेको फ्रेश खानेकुराहरुलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि अर्गानिक आइटम भन्छ है त. मन्जिना कोइराला लिसनिङ भेरी प्रपरली. म सबलाई हेरिरहेको छु यहाँ, म स्किप गर्दै यहाँ स्क्रिनमा सबलाई हेरिरहेको हुन्छु. कोही चाहिँ यस्तो गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ, कोही एक्सरसाइज पनि गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ है. Okay. And then we ate dal, भात, तरकारी, achar with a Gurung family. Oh, what did they eat? Dal, भात, तरकारी, achar. So did you eat or not? भोक लागिरहेको होला है, खान मन लागिराखेको होला नि, पाक्यो कि पाकेन भनेर मिठो मिठो सेन्ट पनि आउँदै होला किचनबाट. So okay, after this class हामी धेरै बेर बस्दैनौँ अब. You can eat. So who ate dal, भात, तरकारी, achar with Gurung family? Chiti Chaudhary? Obviously, the writer and his family, they ate dal bhat tarkari. Okay. And we were paying the paying guest there. Paying means what? Paying, do you know? Do you know paying means? So you have to pay obviously certain amount of money because they stay in the home, they stay there in the village as a guest, and they have to pay money. Without money, no honey. That's any. So we were paying guests there, and they performed their cultural dances. What type of dances the inhabitants of Golegaon performed for the writer's family? What type of dance? Cultural dance. अब कोही कोही डान्स गर्न मन लाग्नेलाई यहाँ डान्स भन्ने बित्तिकै डान्स पनि गर्न मन लागिरह होला है मलाई ओ आई लभ डान्सिङ आई लभ टु परफर्म कल्चरल डान्सिङ पनि भनिरहनु भयो होला कसैले ओके नाउ mainly we observed okay mainly we observed देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ नि स्लाइड त्यो बुक देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ स्लाइड्समा यहाँ हो ओके mainly they perform their cultural dance especially Ghantu dance ओहो what a khatra dance है Ghantu dance okay what is the first type of dance Ghantu dance GHANTU Ghantu or Ghantu I don't know but you can say Ghantu dance and another is Krishna Charitra what type of dance let's say Krishna Charitra so I think if you have gone to Puran हैन मम बाबासँग कसैको पुराणमा गएको छ भने चाहिँ so you can see हैन कृष्ण चरित्र भने सन्देश लुइटेलले चाहिँ झुल देखाएर भाग्नु भएछ है हामीलाई ए आउनु भयो ओके so don't go anywhere and Krishna Charitra हैन it was related to god Krishna अब कस्तो हुन्छ भनेर यो घान्टु डान्सहरु चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भनेर हामीले युट्युब तिर पनि हेर्न सक्छौं हैन अब कस्तो हुन्छ मैले पनि देखाएको छु हैन that's a kind of cultural dance यति बुझ्ने अहिलेलाई है त and झाँक्री dance oh my god झाँक्री dance another and lama dance okay झाँक्री dance घान्टु dance lama dance Krishna Charitra so they observed they saw different kinds of dance there है यति मध्येमा कुन चाहिँ डान्स हेर्न मन लाग्यो तिमीहरुलाई घान्टु डान्स कि झाँक्री डान्स त थाहा छ होला नि झाँक्री बसेर गरेर नाच्यो भने त्यस्तै होला झाँक्री डान्स स्पेशली लास्ट इयर I had gone to Betana do you know Betana near Bilbari and there were some people cultural people of Limbu community they Limbu or let's say Rai Limbu community and they came there with dangro do you know dangro dong 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 गर्छ नि त्यो धामीको ढ्याङ्ग्रो so they perform the dance अब त्यो झाँक्रीहरु चाहिँ ओरिपरि बसेर चाहिँ कस्तो राम्रो डान्स देखाएको थियो के सुन्दै हुन्छ नि मलाई I am from internet त्यो डेटा के डेटा प्याकबाट छु त्यही भएर म सुनिदैन कि भनेर okay so the writer family observed this type of dance in Galegaon in the end we observed some typical round houses there तिमीले अस्तिको भिडियोमा देख्यौ त्यहाँनिर यस्तो गोलो परेको घर थियो नि राउन्ड हाउस यस्तो परेको थियो देखाएको थियो एउटा तिमीले नोटिस गरेको गरेन सो त्यो राउन्ड टाइपको घरहरु चाहिँ यस्तो घुमेर बनेको घरहरु थियो सो दे observed this type of houses also there we also looked at Annapurna Himalaya range so I think in that video you are watching you watched some of the let's say mountain range हैन हिमाल पनि देखिन्थ्यो पारीबाट so that was Annapurna mountain range right and from the village thus we spent 5 days in a homely environment in Lomjung and returned home how many days they spent there कति दिन बसे तिनीहरु 5 दिन बसे है कस्तो मजा त्यस्तो रमाइलो ठाउँमा त्यस्तो ब्युटिफुल ठाउँमा अस्ति हेरे थियो गलेगाउँको भिडियो हैन कति जना एब्सेन्ट भयो होला त्यो तिमीहरुले इन्टरनेटमा खोजेर गलेगाउँ भनेर हेर्यौ भने यस्तो मजा छ अहिले उडेर जानु जस्तै लाग्छ त्यो ठाउँ त्यति राम्रो छ है so they spent all together 5 days and they returned their home where is their home BIRGUNG प्रसन्न ढुङ्गानाले भन्दैछ है भन्दैछ यो स्पेलिङ भन्दैछ बिरगन्ज they returned to Birganj after spending 5 days okay this is travelogue this is called travelogue and what is the meaning of travelogue can you tell me now travelogue means if you visit certain place and when you write about your trip about your journey to that particular place in a diary that is called travelogue so यात्रा विवरण है यात्रा संस्मरण भन्छ नेपालीमा चाहिँ तिमीले कुनै ठाउँमा भिजिट गरिसकेपछि त्यसको बारेमा चाहिँ डिस्क्रिप्सन लेख्यौ how you go there with whom you go there what did you do there how do you return back so if you describe all these things in diary that is called travelogue okay it is a description travelogue means description about your written description about your journey okay do you get so thank you this is all about the lesson and here is la Look at here. Here is some of the exercise. Some of the questions are here. So fill in the gaps is the question related to fill in the blanks. Matching is here, and then question answer is here. So as we meet on Thursday, हैन हामी कहिले भेट्छौं अब Thursday or Saturday? Saturday, right? I think Saturday. The Saturday सम्म छ. So many days are there. म तिमीहरुको चाहिँ चाँडै नै मेसेन्जर ग्रुप बनाउँछु है. अब त्यसमा जोइन गर्दैछु. मैले 2 जनालाई अघि भर्खरै बनाइसकेको छु. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ सबैलाई के गर्छु भन्दाखेरि मैले त्यहाँ जोइन गर्छु अनि हामी त्यहाँ होमवर्कहरु पनि गर्छौं. And then you can do these exercises and you can submit there. म तिमीहरुलाई त्यो ग्रुपमा सबै कुरा अराउँछु. And then मम्मी बाबाको आईडी बाट पनि तिमीहरु चाहिँ त्यहाँ इन्ट्री गर्न सक्छौ है. अनि अथवा मलाई पर्सनली पनि तिमीहरुले फोटो खिचेर चाहिँ आफ्नो नोट कपीमा आजको डेट लेख्ने, एउटा कपी नयाँ कपी बनाउने अनि आजदेखि एक्सरसाइज गर्न थाल्ने. पुनम दिदीलाई नि मैले त्यहाँ देखिरहेको छु. नमस्ते पुनम दिदी. ओके. ओके, थ्यांक यू. दिस मच फर टुडे. आजलाई यति नै है त. So stay safe, stay healthy हैन. सबैजना ह्यापी भएर बस्ने, मुख उस्तो अँध्यारो पारेर क्लास नलिने, सबैजना पानी खाने राम्रोसँग. ओके, see you, take care.